Hello again, I'm here for a new update. It's a really quick video. I was at Jumbo of Dolce Vita Tej and I picked this treasure hunt, the Dodge Challenger Drift car. My first of this. I hope I find one more. And I found not one, not two, but 3 combis. Yes, the white and blue and orange combi. I had picked 3 of this, so there are still more there. So if you want to collect some, go get some. Very cool combi. This one is a little bit damaged with the temple, but as you can see here on the blue stripe, but I will customize it one day. So very cool. This was my hunts of today. Hope you like it. Bye bye. Thumbs up the videos and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.